UniFi Network, Toolless Mini Rack. How to assemble, simple as 10 minutes. Assembling your Ubiquiti UniFi Mini Rack is simple, thanks to the toolless design. We walk you through each step so you can securely mount your rack-mountable UniFi network devices in under 10 minutes. The UniFi Toolless Mini Rack, URack 6UTL, is a heavy-duty, open-frame 6U rack designed for fast and simple assembly. It comes with a 24-port blank patch panel and lockable casters. The rack's design also supports a fixed 18-inch depth, allowing it to support up to 6 mounted UniFi devices such as the UniFi Dream Machine Pro, UDM Pro, and any number of rack-mountable UniFi switches. Ubiquiti, simplifying IT. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.